So here we have a Kenmore induction range, and it has the knobs in the back to control the power to each burner. The problem we have here is these knobs, they kind of jump around a bit like that, and then they sometimes settle, but not always, and it's hard to get it to the right temperature. So today we're going to try and see if we can fix that. So here we have the range pulled out, and I took off the back panel here so you can see what's inside. Now each of the knobs, you can see on this side, has a little circuit board, and in there's a little hole that's a back access point to the knob. It's called a potentiometer, which changes the resistance as you turn the knob. And so since it's kind of flaky, what we're going to do is clean out the potentiometer. I have this WD-40 contact cleaner that's designed for electronics. That will not, it cleans it, does not lubricate, it just cleans it, and it's safe for electronic devices. So what we're going to do is spray a little bit into the hole where the potentiometer is, and then at the same time, or spray it, and then we're going to go over here and turn the knob a bunch, and then spray a little more and turn the knob some more. If you have a helper, you can do both at the same time. So I'm going to show that right now. And I'll go over here, turn the knob a bunch of times. Spray a little bit more. And then we'll turn the knob again. And this is repeated for all 4 of the knobs. So now that we completed all 4 knobs cleaning, I plugged the range back in. We're gonna test it out here with our pot and see if it's any better. So let's turn the knob here. And it seems like it's not jumping around anymore. Yeah, so it seemed like it worked great.